Bengaluru, once considered one of the safest cities, is now witnessing a surge in crime with a masked gang of thieves targeting homes on the city's outskirts. Over the past 15 days, the gang has looted at least 20 houses in 5 layouts under the Aulhalli police station limits, stealing cash, gold jewelry, and valuables worth several lakhs. Operating in a movie style fashion, the gang arrives in cars with their faces covered. They conduct daytime surveillance on locked houses and strike after 1 am, breaking through gates and doors to carry out their thefts. CCTV footage from several houses has captured their activities, yet the gang remains at large. Fear grips the residents as thefts continue despite police investigations. In some instances, the thieves have returned to the same areas within hours, leaving the community anxious and demanding stronger security measures. The local police have registered a case in the matter and are currently conducting a probe.